is from the end it's canted slightly backwards so it can create lift. You might remember something similar in one of the James Bond films, Little Nelly items. Flight speeds from 0 to 120 miles an hour. And he says, the pilot can see you waving, so please do give him a wave when he's coming through. Sounds like a helicopter, it sounds like an aeroplane. I'm saying, it's like an aeroplane that identifies as a helicopter.
Yeah, it's neither one or the other. It's a VTOL air, it's a very short takeoff and landing aircraft. Meant to be extremely easy to fly, but I don't want to test it.
He says, Autogyros can't stall. Let me have a go. We've got some sponsors we need to shout out. Cooley's Pilot Supplies, Bose headsets, and Runway HD navigation software. In spaces all over the UK, including Farnborough, and internationally in Oshkosh, USA, Dubai, New Zealand. I take it he doesn't fly there.
It'll take a while.
Germany and the Paris Airshow. Look at this. It's flying sideways now. We'll give them a wave, sure. See if they can see us. Hi, Mr. Autogyro. We're waving. Autogyro GmbH, which tells me it's German, because that's their version of limited. Kalidas, with a Rotax 714 engine, which is 115 horsepower. It is a two-seater, sitting tandem.
Is the pilot in the front or the back then?
He's inside, I know that much, I'm not quite sure. Oh, sorry. He's sat in the middle, he's at the back, I think. I don't know.
Is he?
I don't know, is he looking something in the front? No. I bet that's not powerbox slate system, I bet he's using someone else. Because they do open cockpit, or convertible as I like to call it, versions.
They're Barnes Wallace ones, weren't they? It's the Barnes Wallace.
So this is, he says this is right, so when it's a bit inclement, like it was this morning, so it's much more comfortable flying around than the fully cockpit. It's heated in there as well. Certified by the CAA in 2011. Over 1,000 of these have been sold worldwide. He's got a range of 4 hours. They measure it in time, not distance, I think, the range. Look at this. This is his 0 mile an hour. He's just coming down in front of us. Ooh. John's giving me a love heart. What does it say, John?
I love you.
I've got a winky eye. It's a winky.
Don't ever trust anyone that winks at you. That one's for you as well. He throws it all up, doesn't he?
It can do very tight manoeuvres, can't it? You wouldn't get a fixed wing in it while turning that tight.
Not in full size, anyway.
The aircraft, 2.7 metres tall. It might be feeling a bit queasy just watching him do that. I don't know what that's like in there. But he's got still and straight. The Autogyro was invented in 1923. It's only 20 years after the Wright brothers did the first flight. By angular servo. If I got that wrong, I apologise. They're trying to invent an aircraft that couldn't stall. Look at that. Autogyro was a trade name for the Sierra's make of aircraft. Nowadays they're also known as gyrocopters. Gyroplanes, autogyros, gyros. Actually, I used to work for a guy and he gave up the IT industry to become an autogyro instructor. I did mention that to the pilot. His name's Clive Rose and he did know of him. He's never met him, but he does know Clive Rose as an instructor of flying these aircraft. They've got two that they stick in a container, but they control the blades back and they just roll them into a normal shipping container. And you keep two of them in there for instructing people. It says here, if the engine were to fail, the landing procedure is very similar to its normal landing procedure. It can land in the short distance as 3 metres. And it'll basically just descend down. The motor's only pushing it forward, the blades are being turned. That's clear, I like that.
Oh yeah.
Wow, here he is.
Wow.
3 metre hole.
Oh, come on.
That was very, very
Give
good.
it up. That was brilliant. Brilliant. I think we've got the fun fighters now, haven't we?
Yeah, just once he's
Right, get out of the way. We have. Now, if you've not seen us before,